Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It is also important to note that seitan is a highly processed food and can be high in sodium when purchased pre-made. Moreover, there is some concern that gluten may contribute to leaky gut, increasing the risk of food sensitivities and autoimmune diseases, but more research is needed. 16 March 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Vegetarians fart more than non-vegetarians. This leads to an increase in certain bacteria in the lower intestine to break down the beans, which produces large amounts of hydrogen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide gas. 11 March 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
The bottom line. Although there has been debate about the health effects, the body of research shows both soy and gluten can be healthy additions to most people's diets, provided you do not have an allergy. If you're looking to pack in lots of protein, tempeh and seitan are better choices. 20 November 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They seem expensive compared to meat, due to the huge subsidies given to the meat industry, which makes the price of meat and other animal products completely unrepresentative of the true cost. Seitan products etc. are also quite specialist products and highly processed, and not subsidized.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Seitan is a uniquely chewy plant-based meat alternative made from wheat gluten. Grocery stores like Whole Foods Market, Sprouts, and Trader Joe's all carry seitan. Even if you have one of these grocers near you, seitan can still be hard to find in the store.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.